There are three behaviors often labeled as bad habits, but can actually support personal growth when used intentionally. We will look at each one briefly. 1. Gossiping. Not all gossip is bad. Discussing others' behavior helps people learn social rules, understand acceptable conduct, and deal with relationships in a better way. Sharing explanations of events can strengthen trust and group unity by showing others how you see events and the world. 2. Venting. Expressing frustrations to a trusted person relieves emotional pressure and reduces feelings of isolation. Naming emotions makes them more manageable and activates the brain's calming systems. Venting is helpful when it's intentional, balanced, and aimed at gaining clarity, not when it becomes endless complaining or obsessing. 3. Active procrastination. It's important to distinguish between harmful, avoidant procrastination and active procrastination, which is deliberately delaying tasks, since pressure can boost focus or stepping away allows to process a situation subconsciously. This strategic delay can improve creativity, insight, and productivity. It's useful only when the person remains in control of deadlines rather than avoids them. Overall, these bad habits are not inherently negative. In moderation, they can enhance social understanding, emotional regulation, and problem solving. The key is awareness and intentional use, reframing them as tools that, when applied wisely, can contribute to becoming a more effective and adaptable person.